Kaya. For those of you that are new and viewing, welcome to the channel, y'all. So on my channel I usually do hair, wig, beauty, makeup, lifestyle vlogs, everything like that on my channel. So if you guys like the video that you see today, make sure you subscribe. So in today's video I'm going to be installing this red wig here from BeautyForeverHair. Shout out to BeautyForeverHair for sending over today's unit. So I'm gonna just go ahead and jump into the installation process, and then at the end I'll give you guys the good little deets about the unit. So let's go ahead and jump into it, and thank you for being here. Thank you for watching.
Oh
Ooh, I'm done. And it looks so good. Shout out to BeautyForeverHair. 99J is always going to be that girl when you need some red hair. It just looks so good. It looks good at any time of the year. Whether it's cold or hot, it's going to be a color to rock. Okay? So BeautyForeverHair, honey, I love their wigs. I love their hair. The quality of their hair is always so good to me. Like every time I get it, it just like amazes me at how good the density is. Just good quality in terms of no shedding and tangling and all that. It's just always good quality. And I really like that. So y'all, I didn't bleach the knots of this wig just because of it being a full color. But I believe that you can if you want your... There's like a piece of something. Oh, I got it. There was something on my lip and it just kept bothering me. But you can bleach the knots of these wigs. Like there's a way of lifting the knots of colored wigs, but I don't know how to do that and I didn't want to mess the wig up, so I did not bleach them. But it still works, especially with using like makeup and powder and stuff, concealer. It makes it look like, you know, just pure scalp. And also, no, I did not pluck all the way around the hairline, but I did just pluck it right here in the middle. And I will say that when I was plucking it, those hairs were coming out really easy from this frontal, which I feel like is a good sign. Some wigs, if you wear a lot of frontals or closures that require plucking, you know which ones I'm talking about, that some of them can be real difficult for you to pluck it out. But this was very easy to just thin out that hairline, so I like that. And it was given a little bit straight across without the baby hairs, which is why I went ahead and added them, and I think it looks a lot more flattering that way. You guys let me know what you think. I also cut some layers right here in the front because I feel like it just helps frame the face. Keep in mind this is a frontal, so you can wear a side part in case you don't like middle parts. You can also kind of pull it up a little bit, maybe do a half up, half down look. I wanted some of the bigger loose curls. I wanted to keep the same curl pattern that it had, but I needed it to be a little bit more styled, so I used this really big curling one here that I got from Amazon. You can find that in my Amazon storefront. The link is below. But that's pretty much all I did to it. It's really nice in length. Got me some inches here. If you guys don't like long hair, they do have options for you to get a shorter length, so you can check that out. I want to touch on one more thing. This one came with an elastic band. And I will say that majority of the BeautyForeverHair wigs that I've tried in the past did not have an elastic band, and this one's adjustable. And so I like that little additional detail that they are including in their wigs now, where you can put your elastic band on and it just helps secure the wig a lot easier and keep it in place a little bit longer. So I like that. I'm excited about that. But yeah, y'all, I don't have anything bad to say about this wig. It was cute, and it is cute, and it will be in rotation for sure. So if you guys are interested in this wig or any of the hair that Beauty Forever does offer, I'm gonna have a link in my description bar below, so make sure you check that out so you can save on your purchase as well. So that's all I got for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, y'all.